guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul, but today is a special Dollar Tree haul because I am collaborating with Kiera from 50 Shades of Mom. So if you have not checked out her channel, I'm gonna have her channel linked below. She does a lot of grocery hauls. She also does Dollar Tree hauls. She does cooking videos, and she's also one of the creators of the YouTubers Playlist Cookbook. So if you have not gotten your cookbook yet, I'm gonna leave a link below. They're officially on Amazon. So if you wanna go and support some other YouTube mamas, that's a way you can do it, by purchasing their cookbook. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. And if you are new from Kiera's channel to mine, hi, my name is Gina Schweppe. I am a stay-at-home mom of 3, and I upload all sorts of content. So you're not gonna get the same video every single day. That's me. I like variety. I don't like doing the same things, but I tend to do the same things on a schedule, if that makes sense. So I upload my couponing videos on the same day. I try to upload my Dollar Tree hauls on the same day so you guys can get a schedule of what kind of content you're gonna see here on this channel. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe that button, ding that notification bell. You definitely wanna stick with me because as November starts to roll in, then you guys need to come to me for the Super Bowl of savings, which is Black Friday and holiday shopping. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss any of the hot holiday deals. And I also have a blog, so definitely subscribe to my blog as well if you're not, because I update all sorts of deals on my blog that may not be featured on my YouTube channel. So let's just go ahead and hop into it. So every single time I go to the freaking Dollar Tree, I always say, okay, I'm gonna spend this much. And then it just never happens. And my husband, it's just one of those things where he has just stopped. It's one of those things to where it's just not worth the fight. In marriage, some things are worth fighting for, some things are not.
What's that?
The Dollar Tree.
The Dollar Tree?
The Dollar Tree. And he's wearing green for Dollar Tree. Way to go.
Sure.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I want to highlight to you guys are some items that you can pick up for the little ones in your family, if you're gifting to little kids in your family. I picked up these really cute little banks, and you can also donate these to little toy drives. So it's called Paint It Yourself Banks. So this one is a giraffe. So it comes with the bank, but then it also comes with the paints and the paintbrush. So you get everything in this small little kit, and it's $1. So I picked one up for a few of the kids in our family that we will be gifting to. So I picked up this giraffe, and then I picked up these for Sawyer. So he is all about like transportation things right now. So I got him a little plane, and then I got him a little car, and then I got another little boy in our family this car as well. And then for Scarlett, I went ahead and picked her up the elephant, and then I picked up the hippo for the kids to go ahead and make for their Mima. So my husband's mom loves hippos, so I thought that she would really appreciate a little handmade gift from the kids come her birthday, because her birthday is in November. So I picked that up for her. So next thing I picked up, favor, if you are watching this video, you want to exit out because some of this stuff is for the giveaway, not giveaway. Some of this stuff is for the box swap that I am doing with you. So she loves dogs and cats. So she has like 6 rescue cats, and she has a few rescue dogs. So I found these mugs at the Dollar Tree, and I thought they were super cute. So this one says, home is where your dog is. So I thought this was really cute. And this one says, I love cats, and it has the little fish on it. So what I'm thinking of doing is putting some treats in these mugs and sending them to her pets through our box swap. So that is going to be going to her. And then I have some DIY stuff. So if you are not subscribed to Diana Simply Saves, she did an open collaboration for holiday decor under $5. So that's what I am brainstorming for. So I picked up a few things. I'm not sure which route I'm gonna go, but I picked up the stuff I needed anyways. So I picked up these little favor sets. So these are small little pails. It comes with a set of 3. I picked up some cotton balls, and I also picked up a black Sharpie, a single black Sharpie. So I picked that up. And then I was strolling the Christmas section and I found this little wind up train set right here. So this is what it looks like right here. So you're supposed to be able to put it on the track and then it's supposed to have the train go around. So we'll see how well that works. And then I picked up some of these card games. So they have Christmas matching. So it's, you know, straightforward matching game. And then also a Go Fish deck of cards. So I want to get Scarlett in some sort of sport come the springtime. But before I do that, I want to make sure that I teach her about sportsmanship. And part of sportsmanship is feeling okay to lose, because when she's going to be going into sports and playing games, they're not going to win every single time. So I want to teach her sportsmanship, so I'm going to do that through those card games. So let's see how well that goes with a 4-year-old. She's a very passionate 4-year-old, so we'll see how that goes.
Losing is a part of life.
Losing is a part of life. It just happens. So, I mean, we lost the lottery. We didn't win. Actually, we didn't even play the lottery this time. Never mind. Okay, so the next thing I picked up were these sugar cookie boxes. So it comes with 2, and they're really cute too. They have little dear Santas on them. So if you're someone who bakes for the holidays, this is definitely something that you want to pick up. I actually didn't pick these up for cookies because I hate to bake. I hate baking. I get other people to bake for me. So my cousin-in-law Lisa, she does a fantastic spread of holiday baking. So I always go to her for my holiday treats. But what I picked these up for are leftovers. So I invite my parents and my husband's parents over for dinner. So I thought that these would make a fun little like to-go box for them to take leftovers home. So that's what I picked these up for. And then I picked up a few holiday bags because their holiday bags are really, really pretty. So I picked this one up. It says Merry Christmas and it has a poinsettia, and I just love the script that they have on this one. This is my favorite one. This says Merry and Bright with the wreath. I love this so much. So I picked that up. And then I picked this one up, likely to be gifted to my mother-in-law because my mother-in-law loves birds. So I picked this one up, just says Merry Christmas, and then it has a variety of little Christmas items on here. So the bird and the pine cones, so that just screamed my mother-in-law. So I picked that up for her. And then I also picked this one up. I thought it was really pretty. It's like a paper bag material, and it has blue Christmas trees and a snowflake on it. So I picked this up. And then I also needed to get a few frames. So I picked up 3 8x10 frames. You guys, if you are not picking up your 8x10 frames from the Dollar Tree, you definitely should. I love these ones. These are just black. I'm probably gonna end up spray painting these. It's super easy. You can just get a spray paint from Home Depot. So yeah, I picked 3 of those up. And then I also picked up a student monthly planner. So why I picked this up is because it has 2018 and I have so much stuff going on in November and December. Like I need to write it down because I'm gonna forget everything. So I picked this up and it's gonna go through 2019. So this is officially my YouTube planner. So I picked that up. And then I also picked up this sheet of gift tags. So there are 100 sticker gift tags here. So I picked these up because you can't go wrong for 100 of these for $1. And look at this cute little one. It has little like choo-choo train right here. So basically it's a penny per tag. So yeah, I'll take it. And then I found these. Nicole, if you were watching, you're gonna wanna snag these. So this is a 18-piece gift tag set. And look at this one. It says, may your days be merry and bright. So there is your red truck right there, Nicole. But yeah, they have a ton of little glittery tags. So I like having some like fancier tags. Sometimes I just like to be fancy. And then I also picked up another Merry and Bright bag because this was my absolute favorite. So I picked that up. And then I picked up 3 Halloween cards. So I am doing a little gift bag for my daughter's teachers because Halloween is coming and there's gonna be a lot of kids with sugar highs coming into school on Friday. So I just picked up the teacher's gift card to Starbucks and a little card, and then I'm gonna put it in these little sacks right here. So this is a 3-pack So this is gonna go to their teachers in the car, and I'm gonna say sorry in advance for the sugar high. Here's a coffee to get you through the day. And then I picked up these poster boards for the kids. So this one is Mickey Mouse. So it comes with 8 velvet posters and 4 markers. So I picked this one up for Sawyer. And I picked this one up for Scarlett because she is crazy for Vampirina. So I picked that up for her. It's gonna go in her little stocking bag that I have going for her. And then the next thing I picked up is something, Nicole, you're probably gonna like as well. And this is what I got. It looks like a little like RV type vehicle. It's just like an RV vehicle is what it is right here. And I think I'm gonna put this in my bathroom as a like toothbrush holder. So I like using these little things for decor in my bathroom for my toothbrush and my toothpaste, so I can be festive even with my toothbrush and toothpaste. And then the last thing I picked up are these melatonin gummies. I picked up 2 of them. I love these so much and they help me get such a good night's sleep. So I picked 2 of them up. You take 2 at a time and it's good for 5 days. So no, wait, there's 14 gummies. So I have a 2 weeks worth supply. So I was so sad when I ran out of it. So I got some of those for the nights that I really need a really good sleep, which is gonna be like the whole month of November because things just get crazy once November 1st rolls around. So this is my Dollar Tree haul. So I got a lot of really fun things and I'm excited to get to working on some of these little crafting things. I also have an open collaboration for a Dollar Tree gifting video. So requirement for that video is you just need to make your gift idea $10 or less from items from the Dollar Tree. It could be a handmade gift. It could be a collection of items that you put together for a gift. It doesn't matter. So definitely join me in on that open collaboration. Videos are going to be uploaded on the 12th of November. I believe that's the date. I will have the details in the description box of this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and definitely go and check out my friend Kiera from 50 Shades of Mom. She is such a fantastic human and I have really enjoyed getting to know her. So Nicole Burgess is the one that brought us together. So thank you, Nicole. I'm meeting so many new and fun moms from you and your other friendships. And I just am so happy about that. And I just want to mention again, how extremely proud I am of you 3 ladies for your cookbook. It is so awesome. And I just love supporting other women and other YouTubers. So if you want to go ahead and support them as well, make sure you go and pick up their cookbook from Amazon. So I will talk to you guys all later and bye for now.